Hey, the good folks over at Modari, M-O-D-A-R-I, sent me over this portable tire inflator. I was reading the specs on this. This thing sounds like a nice one, y'all. Has a swim ring valve adapter, actually two of them, to air up like your little rings and your beach balls and things like that. Has a ball needle and a press to valve adapter. That's for the bicycles with the small valve stems, more of your racing type bikes. But we're going to get this opened up, check it out, and I got to go test it out. Colder weather has dropped my tire pressure in my vehicle, so that's a good time to test it. It's supposed to air up 4 times faster than other tire inflators like this. Let's go ahead and check it out. Well, we'll look at this stuff first. Let's see what we got. Pretty much know what we're going to have. The adapters and the cord and the user manual here, in case you need to know how to use it. It says 160 PSI. It has presets on it for a car, let's see, a motorcycle, a bicycle, a ball. We'll go over that in just a moment. Feels pretty solid. It's not real big, as you can see. Here's my phone. Actually, it is the same height as a cell phone. This is the S22, which is a little bit bigger than a lot of cell phones, but not much. Pretty small size to be this powerful. See what we have. Okay, here's your adapters, your beach ball accessories or swim rings, whatever you want to call them. Swim rings is what they're calling them. Nevertheless, and your press to valve adapter and your ball needle. USB to USB-C charging cord. Make sure you get this thing charged up and keep it charged up. It's not going to do you any good if it don't have any power. These things have a flashlight on them too. Let's see if we have any power. Push the power. Oh yeah, we got power on. I'm going to bring that camera up because you can't really see from there. All right, as you can see right here, you have your preset for your truck, or SUV actually, your bicycle, and your motorcycle, and your ball. And it has a little human icon here. This is where you can set it to whatever you want. You can hit the plus or the minus. It'll go up to 160 PSI. That's how you would set that. And the cool thing about these is when it reaches that tire pressure, it will automatically shut off. You know, you get it hooked up, get it turned on, and start it, and when it reaches whatever your preset is set at, it will automatically shut off. And this, it's got a little SUV on there, but my car is not an SUV, it's a sedan, and it is a 35-pound tire pressure. You can change your PSI by clicking the little U-shaped symbol. I don't know really what that is, but anyway, you can push that, and it'll change your different readings there. We're going to leave it on PSI though. Turn your light on, it's right there. You have a light. Oh, and it'll flash too. Push it again and it'll flash. Oh, push it again and it's more of that SOS type signal. Push it again and it's off. You have your USB-C charging port. This is the input right here. This is where you're going to charge it up. Has a USB-A output. You could use this to temporarily charge a like a cell phone or something like that. If you've got something that'll charge with a USB port, you can charge it right there. And of course right here is where your air hose is going to hook up. You'll just put your hose, put it in like that, and just turn it, and then it'll lock in. I don't know if you heard that or not, but it'll lock into place. You don't have to worry about it popping off. Now it does say the battery capacity is 28.86 watt hours. Of course you have your diagram here to tell you all about what each number and each button's for, but it's pretty straightforward. I don't think you'll have a problem with that. And you can just, like it's showing here, you can just plug in your charging cord into a charging block right here, just like with your cell phone or other devices, it will charge like that. You just plug it into that, or you can plug it into your computer, whatever you need to get it charged up. And as you just saw, it has an auto off. So you don't have to worry about that battery running down while you have it in storage or sitting under your seat or in your trunk or glove box or wherever it is you're going to keep it. As I mentioned earlier, it said that it airs up your tires 4 times faster, and it says 22,000 RPM motor, so it'll push out some air. Also says it has a 7,800 milliamp high multiplier battery paired with a low consumption chip, boosting performance by 40% compared to the standard rechargeable tire inflator. Should get the job done. All right, we got it set for the 35 pounds. Make sure, just hold that power button in. I'm going to double check just to make sure. On 35 pounds. Showing a full battery right here. There's your battery indicator right there. We're going to go try it out. I'll meet y'all outside. All right, we're out here. Let's get our valve stem cap off. You'll screw these on here. It's not going to be the flip over kind. It'll screw on there so it'll have a good secure fit. Right when you turn it on, it will give us our tire pressure. We're sitting at 26 pounds, as you can see it right there. And to go to 35 pounds, all we'll have to do is hit the power. There we go. A little faster than the other ones, that is for sure. And as you see, it turns off automatically. And you'll feel a little heat up here. That is normal on every one of these. The hose gets a little warm. Some of them get downright hot. This one's just warm. That is all there is to it, and you're good to go. Hey, if you're interested in purchasing one of these, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can go read more about it and possibly order your own. I think that's really good. By the way, if you're getting any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I'd really appreciate that one. All right, saw how well it worked? Works really fast. And that is the main thing about this one, is it airs up faster than the other ones. All the other features on them are pretty much the same on all of these, but the time it takes to air up a tire makes a huge difference when it's cold outside or if you're in a hurry. So definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.